Hey Wellness Warriors, it's Toxic Tuesday, and today's video was inspired by a purchase I made at the one and only Target. Of course, I left there spending like $250 on a whole cart of crap, but that's a whole different video. So very often I talk about what we're eating, but I've never really discussed what to cook it in, and this has been something that's been on my radar recently. For years, I have used the aluminum throwaway pans up until about the last 6 months to a year. Very big on convenience. I'm all about cutting out time. Love to cook, hate to clean up. And that was just a convenient way to do it. You know, you had the pan, you were done, you throw it out, boom, no dishes. Unfortunately, aluminum is a soft metal. It's found in a lot of different things in the environment that we can't control, and it's mostly ingested. It's in our water, it's in some foods, and it is in certain things that we cook in. The dangerous thing whenever you have a toxic chemical in heat is that it tends to get the actual material into your food. So it's called leaching. It happens with BPA, whether it's in your cans, your containers, your water bottles, and it can also happen with aluminum. So these aluminum pans, as convenient as they are and as much as I miss them, I had to say goodbye. So I was looking for something that would be a great alternative and maybe have some benefits, and I was looking for Corningware. So today in Target, I purchased a Corningware set. I've been using stainless steel pans up until now, and I like them, but it's annoying because if you're serving and you're having people over, then you have to take it out of the stainless steel pan because it's ugly and then put it in a platter. So now it's like double the dishes, which I'm so not about dishes, if anybody that knows me. These are great because you can cook in them and serve in them, so it's right from the stove, the oven to the table, and it's just one thing. So if you're not into Corningware, you can do a Pyrex that's safe for high heat temperatures, or you can do a stainless steel roasting pan. So get rid of those aluminum pans. They're linked to Alzheimer's, and for me, we have dementia and Alzheimer's running in our family, so it's definitely on my radar, and I'm certainly concerned about it, and all of you should be too. So throw them out, get something that works for you, and always remember that health is not a destination, it is a journey, and every decision that we make today counts for tomorrow, so make it healthy, throw away those aluminum pans, and get some non-toxic, clean, green cookware. And I will see you next week. Take care.